Want to know some fun and fascinating facts about lifestyle medicine? Well, you're in the right place. Lifestyle medicine is all about adopting healthy habits to improve our overall well-being. It's not about quick fixes or magic potions, but rather about simple, everyday changes that can have a big impact on our health. From the foods we eat to our exercise habits, it all plays a part in our wellness journey. Stay tuned for 10 exciting tips and interesting facts on lifestyle medicine that can inspire you to live healthier. Cheer up, have a banana. Why? Well, bananas are nature's mood-boosting marvel. Packed with magnesium and vitamin B6, they're essential for creating happy neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. But that's not all. They're also rich in dietary fiber to keep your blood sugar levels steady and prebiotics to help your beneficial gut bacteria flourish. You see, a balanced gut microbiome can significantly reduce the risk of mood disorders. So, the next time you need a mood pick-me-up, reach for a banana. Keep calm, eat your eggs, and drive safely. Neuroscience research reveals that eggs, rich in the amino acid tyrosine, can enhance cognitive function and reflexes. Starting your day with an omelet could give you a boost of energy and alertness, improving your mood and response times. In fact, a study conducted in 2014 found that supplementation with tyrosine can enhance response times, akin to the effects of certain medications. Feeling sluggish or unfocused? An omelet might be the solution. Instagram stories can mess with your memory. That's right, the instant, fleeting nature of Instagram stories can actually impact our brain's ability to remember experiences. A study in 2018 found that even when photos were taken and saved, participants had a hard time recalling the details of the events captured. It seems that our brains might be outsourcing memory to our devices. So, the next time you're on vacation, consider leaving the camera behind. It could just make your memories more vivid and enduring. Oatmeal helps fight depression. Now, you may wonder how a simple bowl of oatmeal can do that. The answer lies in the amino acid tryptophan. Our bodies use tryptophan to produce serotonin, a hormone that regulates mood and sleep. Those battling depression and insomnia often have low serotonin levels. By incorporating high tryptophan foods like oatmeal into our diet, we can naturally boost our serotonin levels. Feeling down or sleepless? It might be time to make oatmeal your breakfast staple. Daily small workouts improve skin quality. So how does this happen? Regular physical activity promotes better blood circulation. This nourishment keeps skin cells vibrant and alive. As you sweat and your heart rate rises, blood carries oxygen and essential nutrients to working skin cells. This process helps flush out toxins, leading to a healthier and more revitalized appearance. So if you're aiming for that youthful glow, remember to incorporate daily workouts into your routine. Want glowing skin? Don't skip your daily workout. If your food does not rot, it's unhealthy. This phrase might seem odd, but it holds a nugget of truth. Non-perishable foods are often loaded with unnatural preservatives and additives that can wreak havoc on your body over time. These substances are used to extend shelf life, but they can lead to health complications, including heart disease and obesity. So, what's the alternative? For optimal health, prioritize fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Balance is key when it comes to food choices. Spicy food increases your memory. Now, isn't that something to heat up your dining experience? Black pepper, a common spice, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's been found to have neuroprotective effects. This means it could potentially be a remedy for age-related health issues such as Alzheimer's. These effects are believed to be due to its anti-inflammatory properties. So, adding a little spice to your meals could do more than just tantalize your taste buds. Want to boost your memory? Spice up your meals. Stretch yourself often like your cat. Stretching isn't just about flexibility and muscle health, it also plays a vital role in maintaining heart health. Regular stretching can boost your blood flow, nourishing every corner of your body, including the heart. It supports the heart's function by promoting efficient circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, make it a habit to stretch, just like our feline friends do. To support your heart's function, incorporate regular stretching into your routine. When needing a muse, buy yourself a diary. An intriguing study involving Japanese students unveiled the cognitive benefits of writing on physical paper. The researchers found a significant improvement in memory retention. This effect is believed to stem from the unique, complex spatial and tactile information associated with handwriting on physical paper. The process of writing engages the brain in a different way than typing, stimulating cognitive development and enhancing memory. Want to improve memory retention? Consider keeping a diary. Sunbathing may help you lose weight. This intriguing idea comes from a study that discovered a fascinating link between morning sunlight exposure and body mass index, or BMI. The study found that those who got their daily dose of sunshine in the early morning had a significantly more favorable BMI compared to those who basked in the sun later in the day. So, if you're on a weight loss journey, this could be a delightful addition to your routine. Looking to lose weight? Consider a morning stroll in the sunshine. Isn't it fascinating how simple lifestyle changes can bring about significant health benefits? We've explored 10 intriguing lifestyle medicine tips that can inspire you to adopt healthier habits. From the mood-boosting power of bananas and the cognitive-enhancing properties of eggs, to the memory benefits of ditching Instagram stories and incorporating oatmeal into your diet. We've also touched on the skin benefits of regular small workouts and the health risks of non-perishable foods. Spice up your life with black pepper for memory enhancement and stretch like a cat for heart health. Don't underestimate the power of writing on paper when you need a creative muse. And remember that a morning stroll in the sun can go a long way in managing your weight. Remember, adopting healthy habits can make you feel great. Here's to a healthier you.